Call cycle and scheduling. Managing visit cycle period. On the retailer screen, you'll see a field named Visit Cycle Period. This determines what frequency you'll be doing sales calls with this customer. Here you can set it to 4 weeks, and when I tap Plan a Call and select In-Store Visit, it suggests a date 4 weeks from today. To add this to my schedule, I touch Add on the top right of the popover. To change the visit cycle period, tap on the Edit Retailer button. Scroll down and change the visit cycle period field to say 6 weeks. Tap Save to complete the change. Now when I touch Plan a Call, it will give me the date 6 weeks from today. The visit cycle period field can support a number followed by the words days, weeks, or months, plural or singular, and it'll then automatically suggest appointments that far into the future.